Are you looking for the best way you can, prepare your best flaky but easy meat pie for your occasion, for business? Oh my goodness. You clicked on the right video. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So we do easy cooking recipes, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. They don't take money, it is free. Okay, please do it for me and I'll be very grateful if you do so. I have with me here my corned beef. I'm just going to fry it very well. Okay, we are not going to add any oil because the corned beef contains a lot of fat. Okay, so we are just going to fry it like that, then we are good to go. So this video is inspired by Up Close with Abna. She is a content creator. She is on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. Before I talk about her, let's continue. I will talk about her later again. Okay, so I've added my spring onions, I've added my carrots. Okay, so the spring onions is the same as the scallions or green onions. Okay, I will mix it very well, then we continue. So the next thing I'm going to add is my pepper, ginger, garlic, and then I'll add my seasoning to taste and then mix it very well. Okay, so this is how it looks. We are just going to wait for just a minute because we don't want to overcook it. Okay, when we bake the pie, it is going to cook inside. Just look at that, very juicy and delicious. This was very easy to prepare, isn't it? Yeah. Now the next thing we are going to do is that I have my 5 sticks of butter here. Okay, 5, and I have my 7 cups of all-purpose flour. So it was left with just a cup to make 1 kg of flour. Okay, now I'll be adding my salt. So I added just a teaspoon of salt. You are seeing it small because I added the rest later. Okay, so that is a teaspoon of salt, and I am just going to mix it very well. If you want to add nutmeg, you can go ahead and add it, but I'm not going to add it. Okay, yes, so mix it very well before we add the next ingredients. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. You will love it there. Okay, yes, and if you want short videos, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and my YouTube shorts. Now we are going to add the butter to it. We are going to mix it with the tips of our fingers. Okay, not our palm. Okay, so we are going to add it to it one after the other or bit by bit. Okay, yeah, so Up Close with Abna is everywhere, and please do well to follow her. You will never regret. If you are in Manchester, UK, oh my goodness, I have a good news for you. So if you are about to celebrate any birthday or to do any party, just contact Up Close with Abna and she's going to deliver perfectly for you. You will love her voice. Okay, yeah, now this is how it looks. So we added the extra 2 cups of the flour, and you can see we have perfect outcome, and this was very flaky and delicious. Okay, so at this moment you can add any water, or you can add any liquid to it to form the dough. So you can add any milk of your choice, you can add water, and then you are good to go. Now I've added half cup of milk powder. I have never added milk powder to my pie before, but Abna does. Okay, she also add the eggs to her pie, so I decided to try that one as well, and oh my goodness, I love it. So I've added 2 eggs, and this is the outcome we have. We are not going to add any liquid to it again. So you mold it like this, and then straight away we send it to the chopping board, and then we continue what we are going to do. Okay, but I will mix it well before I meet you there. So now welcome, we are here already. I will use the tip of my fingers and then push it backwards or towards me so that it can become flat before I use the chopping board on it. Okay, yeah, thank you so much once again for watching this video, and thank you so much Up Close with Abna for this video. Okay, I really appreciate it. So I saw her uploading the video and I contacted her for more advice. Okay, it's not everything that we know, so when you see someone doing something that you think is helpful, you go to them for tutorials. Yes, that is how it's supposed to be. Now the cutter that I used, you may not have it, it's a bowl, so you can go for this option as well. You cut it into square form and then you mold the edges well, and then the one on the chopping board right now, I'm going to add my filling, and then I will use this one to cover it, then I will seal it. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much. So we are going to practice that so that you get what I'm trying to say. So the filling is there, I will just use that to cover it, and then we will seal it. You can use your fork to seal it as well, but I am using my hand instead. Okay, I'm using my fingers instead. Okay, the English is no English, that's just by the way. So now this is what we have, and she told me that you have to freeze it. When you freeze it, when you are ready to bake, you just pick it and bake. And I am not going to bake everything here because each day I am supposed to bake at least 4 pies so that I can add some other pastries and then use it for whatever thing I would do. That one is my own matter. Okay, that is just by the way. So I have placed them in my in my container, and it is in the freezer. I'll cover it. And yesterday I baked some, 2 days ago I baked some, and today too I have baked some. This is how it looks. I'm just going to open it for you. I am lucky that hubby is around. He is going to eat it. I don't eat pie. Okay, so I'll just open it for you to see. You can see that very flaky, and the inside is very juicy. This was so delicious. Oh my goodness, and he really enjoyed it. He does not like flaky things, but trust me, he loved this. Okay, yes. And Abna, once again, thank you for this amazing idea. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. Please do not forget to follow Up Close with Abna for videos and also for your birthday food. Thank you. See you in the next one. I love you.